Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and tonight I'll be doing an unboxing of my new gaming capture card. So let's get right into it. So I purchased this capture card at Memory Express at my local store here in Calgary, Alberta. I could have purchased it online, but I just wanted to actually go in and talk to them and get the right fit for me. You can see here it says the AVerMEDIA capture card, and it's Live Gamer HD2 ready to play PCI gamer capture card, and it's also a 1080p 60 frame per second. And I noticed that it also says recording protected HD content with a splitter. So basically they don't really want you to use a splitter, right? But anywho, I won't be getting into that. Right, so let's go around here. Let me see what we have around here. Okay, so about the capture card now. It's a 1080p 60 frame uncompressed video, ready to play, no driver installation, which is good. Zero log pass through, which I don't need any login, right? Because login is so annoying, and all the gamers know that as well. Focusing, I have everything here. I'll also link it below where I purchased it from. You can review more about it if you're looking in purchasing one like this. Let's unbox. So this would be my unboxing and my review. So I'll probably do a part 2 of this video, reviewing it, how it works and everything. And so this is how it looks, taking off the plastic off of it. Nice. It has the blue here, and you have some details. The Live Gamer HD ready to play PCI game capture card, 1080p 60 frame. So all of that is right there. See all the information on this side as well. Okay, and yeah, it's just the same thing. Ooh, the box feels good though. Shiny blue. So this is how it looks out of the box, out of this box. That's how it looks. Let's open. So the first thing I see is this protected. That's the good part. Okay, so the next thing is the capture card. So this is a free 1-year warranty extension for the card. It's good. And this is the AVerMEDIA gaming solution. So basically it tells you about the capture card and the different ones actually. Oh, so I have the first one, the Live Gamer HD2. This is the audio, the 3.5 audio card, and then this is the HDMI. Nice. So onto the capture card now. Let me open. Gotta be gentle. So it comes here. Take it out of the plastic. This is how it looks. So it looks. There we go. There we go. You can probably see the board in here. And I'm opening, and it has all the things on here. And you have your HDMI port and your audio port, the audio out, your audio in and your audio out. That was my unboxing of my capture card, and my review will be next about this capture card. This is my unboxing of my AVerMEDIA
my AVerMEDIA Live Gamer HD2 capture card. Hope you enjoy. If you do like, please subscribe and like. Shana the Girl out.